In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your password on Discord. This process is very straightforward and simple to do, so let's just get straight into it. Once you've loaded up the Discord app, and obviously I'm showing you how to do it on mobile, but it's a very similar process within the desktop app. So once you've loaded up Discord, just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. That will open up the settings page, and then you just want to tap here where it says My Account. That will take you to your account information where you have everything that's related to your account. Then you'll see the option here that says change password. All you need to do is tap on that. Then you just enter in your current password, type in your new password, whatever you want it to be. And then you'll notice when you type in your new password, you'll see a little save button right over there. All you need to do is tap on that little save button and then your password will be updated. Now you do want to keep that password safe and remember it at all times, because if you log out, you'll need that to log back in. So that's pretty much it. That's how you change your password on the Discord mobile app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.